Up first this evening, millions of dollars in coffee beans have been destroyed after a dispute over land in St. Thomas took an unexpected twist.
Now the affected farmers are desperately seeking assistance from the authorities. TVJ's Janella Precious has their story.
Foggy day in the Blue Mountains, the atmosphere a reflection of the mood of scores of workers employed to this coffee farm. They came to find it in ruin last week, ruined not by the forces of nature, but by man.
Me tell you from yesterday, me faint, me drop down dead, me no know me no bury already. To how me feel.
Come like I have a emptiness inside, cause there is no way mankind could wicked like this to do such things.
Right now I feel like say, I know they're on the earth right now. I feel like everything gone, like the world done for me.
The land has been at the center of a long court battle for ownership which started in 2009. For decades, it had been used by the farmers of Epping Farm in St. Thomas. The Supreme Court, however, ruled in favor of the proprietors of Abbey Green Farms in November 2017, giving them the clear to take possession of the property which they had purchased from the state. Lawyers representing the St. Thomas coffee farmers last week filed an application for a stay of the judgment. That was January 9. But on the 10th, the new owners started efforts to clear the land, cutting trees, including acres of mature coffee beans.
Now we out our job. Time now for we work. Next month coming, we are got the home sit and look and say, Lord Jesus.
It painful to see your loss over about 7 or 8 acre coffee bearing, ready to reap. Because next month a reaping time, see it here, we're ready to reap with coffee. We have no other alternative to live off of it from February until August.
In photographs sent to our news center, a policeman from the Cedar Valley Police Station was seen appealing to the owners to stop his men from destroying the field. The destruction of the coffee plants has caused despair because in a few weeks' time, reaping season will be in full swing. Except on this farm, there's nothing to reap.
We produce the best coffee up here. At the highest point today, you know. No more coffee, no, there's no way higher than this. Right up under the peak there, so. We want justice. Because if law for the rich man, law for the poor man, because the poor run this country. And not the rich man, and the poor.
The affected farmers have since filed an official complaint in the courts charging malicious destruction of property. They're also seeking compensation for damages. There are concerns, though, that it may be another long battle in the courts. It's, however, a battle that they vowed to fight in the name of their ancestors who cared for and benefited from the land for more than 100 years. Janella Precious, TVJ News.